I've got this thing, gonna blow your mind, pulling your string.
Oh, excuse me. Wow, you're looking gorgeous. You are. My name's Rob. Please, I don't see many girls out here, period, but pretty girl. Where are you going?
Somewhere.
Well, somewhere alone, or are you meeting somebody?
I don't really know.
Doesn't matter, actually.
All these things.
Well, it doesn't matter. You should be heading somewhere with me. Come on.
No, I'm okay, man.
Sure?
Okay, man. Yeah.
All right. But you from this area?
Yeah, I'm from this area.
Okay. All right. I'd say I'm single. You're single.
You don't know that I'm single, man. I don't want to be rude. I just, you know, I didn't want to just like walk away from you and be super rude, but I'm not interested.
You get approached a lot?
Thank you. Maybe. You're asking me a lot of questions for...
Well, I just wanted to get to know you, maybe.
But thanks.
I can get your number and then...
No, man.
Do something else.
Sorry.
No?
I have a boyfriend anyway, so...
What? Leave him for a day.
I appreciate it. Thanks.
You're Latina, are you? I can sense it.
Yes, I'm Latina.
Yeah, spicy Latina. So what we do is go. Let's go out sometime.
Dude, no,
come on,
right
now.
I just don't want to be rude. I don't want to walk
Sure?
away. That's all.
All right.
We're good?
You would have made my day.
Have a good day. Thanks.
All right. All right. Yeah. Why?
Oh.
What?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Why are you surprised? I was washing it, yeah.
I mean, you know, you just look like you're washing a car, not your car.
Oh no, it's my car. Just bring it to the car wash here with these guys.
Do you think you can give me
My
a ride?
friends. You want a ride? I was telling you if you wanted to.
I mean, I'm trying to take the bus to go to work, but if you wanted to talk and get to know each other, I guess the ride there would work.
All right. I mean, all right, we could do that. I'll hop in.
Sure?
Wait, let me open it for you. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, come inside.
Thanks.
Actually, I left my bucket there while I was washing. Can you get it for me real quick?
Okay.
Actually, you can keep the bucket. I think that bucket suits you well because you're going to need to clean yourself when you're going to be digging for gold. I don't like gold, you're not coming with me.